everyone! So in today's video, we have another social story that is about the coronavirus. This explains the coronavirus again, and I know that this seems a little like you've heard about it a lot, but it is still important for us to kind of keep this information fresh in our minds because the coronavirus is something that is still affecting people. And even though it's starting to kind of seem like things are going to go back to normal soon, it's still something that we need to be aware of and keep our eyes out for. So in this social story, it kind of helps explain what happens when somebody gets sick and what we can do to try to make sure that we don't get sick and keep others healthy as well. So let's get started with our story. When People Get the New Coronavirus, a conscious discipline social story created by Abby Kraus, a conscious discipline certified instructor. A virus is something very small. Viruses live inside people, animals, and even plants. Viruses sometimes make people sick. You have probably had a cold before. A cold is caused by a virus. When a person gets a virus, their body will fight against the virus. People usually get better quickly. There are many kinds of coronaviruses. When scientists look at them under a microscope, they look like they have a crown. Corona means crown, and that's how these viruses got their name. There is a new type of coronavirus called novel coronavirus. It is so new that our bodies don't quite know how to respond to it. Some people who get the new coronavirus won't get sick at all. They won't even know they have the virus. Some people with the new coronavirus will get a little sick. They will rest at home until they feel better. Some people who get the new coronavirus will need to go to the hospital. They will need help from doctors and nurses. If someone we love gets sick from the new coronavirus, they may need to rest at home until they feel better. If someone we love gets very sick with the new coronavirus, they might go to the hospital. It is hard to be separated from people we love, but we know that the hospital is a place where sick people can get help from doctors and nurses. There are things we can do to stay healthy. We can help to keep our friends and family healthy too. Washing our hands is helpful. Keeping space between ourselves and others is helpful. Wearing masks is sometimes helpful too. I like to think about helpful things we can do to stay healthy. I also like knowing that doctors and nurses are at the hospital for people who need help. The end.